We are today in Kielce. Many people came in. We are really proud to say that we almost doubled the attendees list from the last year. The most important thing about this conference is regarding connecting people, connecting few different elements of the market, connecting manufacturers, we are, connecting experts that were prelegents in here, and of course connecting the distribution chains that are the expert specialist shops.
Conference like this, where you bring together lots of people from the car seat industry and from retail companies, people who work in the nursery industry and are given the same advice and the same information, they can pass that information on to their customers and their clients.
The ultimate target and the ultimate goal is really about increasing safety. We can reach this goal only if we will be cooperating well, if we will be listening to each other, and we will be trying to find the best possible solution that works.
A comparison of products that are part of the regulation give us the opportunity to improve also and to get more safety for our child. The best protection of a child is rear-facing.
We are going to buy proper car seat for a child. We need to realize that the good car seat can help us for safety and for health as well.
Avionaut products are being created and developed in connection with experts. That's also the reason of this conference. To listen, to hear and to put in life ideas and designs, developments that are up to date, that are new, that are improving safety instead of just following the current situation.
So that's why I think this conference was very, very useful for me today, and I've really enjoyed being here, and as I'm sure will have everybody else, because it was very helpful.